guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be doing an at-home facial. You see the glow on my skin. Yes, if you would like to see the products that I use and everything that I did to get my skin glowing like this, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, let's get into this facial. Let go. Okay, so I have my headgear on, no lashes, and I'm going to be trying out the new Fenty Beauty Cookies and Cream Detox Face Mask. It looks like this. I threw the box in the garbage. So, oh, it has stuff in the back. So it's 2.5 ounces. Directions say apply an even. Let me tell y'all now. I apologize for the little person in the background. I could not get this facial done without my son being in here with me. So I'm apologizing in advance because he's going to grunt, growl, and make all the noises that he likes to make. I'm sorry. But the directions say to apply an even layer to the skin, wet or dry. Massage until charcoal beads break and mask turns from white to gray. Let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off and use as directed. External use only, not internal, boo-boo. So, we're going to give this a try. Now my dog wants to bark. So this is what it looks like. And it's called Cookies and Clean, baby. Good job. So much for smelling. It doesn't have a smell, so that's cool. But I'm going to be also using my Fenty Skin Fat Water. What is this one? The face lotion, whatever they call it. I love this. This is my favorite. These two, the cleanser and the face lotion, I love it. I also have her body cream. I love all of the above, but these two right here, those are my go-tos, and I'm going to use this to blend in the cleanser. So let's get into it. And I also got my glass of wine because my son is stressing me out. Oh, sorry. And this is the facial steamer I'm using that I got from Amazon. So we're going to do a little review on this and the cookies and cream. So hopefully everything works out because, yeah, I hope it all works out. So I just took a shower. I just got out the shower not too long ago. So now we're going to do our facial because I was out earlier in the hot ass sun. It was 81 degrees today in Atlanta. And I was out with my kids because they had boxing. I was running around. So now time to get my skin in order for nighttime. So let's go. We're going to play music for the rest of the video. I'll see you guys at the end. Let go.
Hey girl. Hey girl. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I know him. Anytime you're ready, girl, I'm here. The face make me fly. In a rain, it make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act. Face like sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the shot. Come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. If you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in a me song. Plus the cookie know your body give you make your body strong. Girl, any problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song it turn addictive. Up like a drum on a beat, it's your tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back, okay, rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back, girl. But this make you feel like you, but this make you feel like you, but this make you feel like you. 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 Yeah. You want to rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back. Okay, rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your, rock off your, rock off your back, girl. Yeah, yeah. Ladies, I'm here, I'm here, yes. Give me y'all them, hey, up for me y'all them, yeah.
All right, guys, I am done. You see my skin. Let me get y'all close, because let me make sure my screen is clean, because I need y'all to get up close and personal on my skin. Do you see this? Do you see that? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? You see it. Look at my skin. Ah, don't mind this. I don't know how the hell I even got it. I don't know how I scratched my face, but don't mind that. But just look at the rest. She's glowing. Her skin is beautiful. She's ready for the night to go to bed. I'm about to go on my couch and finish watching Queen of the South. I'm on season 4 because I was late, but my skin is popping. Do you hear me? That shit is popping. She is glowing. She has no filter, no ring light. You hear me? No filter, no ring light. Just the light from the damn bathroom. And look at my skin. Ha! Look at my lips. Kissable. Get it. Get you this steamer. This shit gets hot, baby. It gets hot, and I'm gonna leave the link down below for you. Listen to my son in there crying because I'm not in there with his spoiled ass. Get you this steamer. Get you this Fenty Skin Moisturizer. You won't be disappointed. Get you this Fenty Beauty Total Cleanser. This is the only cleanser I use besides my Neutrogena Hydro Boost exfoliating gel. Those are the only things I use. Get you this Fenty Beauty Fat Water. And god damn it, get you this Detox. Her Cookies and Clean Detox. Yes, it's small, but it's a nice amount in there. It's $32. You can feel it get tight on your skin. I love it. It was easy to work with. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it doesn't come with a brush. So I'm gonna order me the applicator tonight off of Amazon. That's the only thing. If it came with a applicator, girl, seal the deal. So she should maybe do that on her next drop. But this shit is bomb.com. I do have a video, and check my playlist talking about this Radiance Spin Care System. This right here. Because I do have a discount code. It should still work if you want to get you one. Get you this for your cleanser to get it all up in your skin. This steamer damn sure opened up my pores. Like, it felt so good. I loved it, especially with my glass of wine. It does come with a plug, so you don't have to worry about batteries. It comes with this too, the toolkit to, you know, pop your bumps and scrape dry skin and all of that. You can use this. It's optional. I did not use it, and as you can see, my skin is still good. I do have clear skin, but I just like to keep my skin good, okay? I brought this and tried this for the first time. This is the Nars Orgasm Lip Mask from Sephora. I will leave the link for this down below too. This shit is so good. Nice and moisturized. Her skin is glowing. Her lips is popping. And last but not least, let me put my body butter on. And this comes from my collection. The link will be down below in the description box to shop on my website. These are my body butters. This is so good. This is cotton candy. She smells very good. This is warm vanilla sugar. She smells good. She smells good. And this one here, goddamn, I could smell it all day. This is my Mango Madness. Child, let me show you. Let me put her on my arm. So oh my God, my son is killing me. So my arms can look shiny like me face. You see it, you see it, you see it. Get them elbows. Can't be in the house looking ashy. You see the look. So now look at the face. Look at the glow on the face. Look at the glow on the arm. Get you this body butter on my website, link down below. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I did enjoy making it. I will be doing my facials twice. I lied, because now it's summertime and it'd be hot and sweaty. So I'll probably do this like 3 times a week, like 2-3 times a week. I definitely love everything that I just used. Some of the stuff I always use. But the Nars lip mask is new. The steamer is new. And the Cookies and Clean. And yeah, it's a must-have. Go purchase Sephora. Links will be down below. Guys, if you haven't already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by KiKi and lavishLooks_by KiKi_. There will be a video on TikTok as well. But everything will be down below in the description box because I'm not about to name all those handles now. Go in the description box and you will see everything. Guys, until next time, you already know, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. Peace.